Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is July 18th, 2017, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the economic events of the day, just two numbers coming out with the GBP at 10:30 South African time. That's a core price index number that's coming out. That's an inflationary number. So we look at the GBP later. And then at 3:30 South African time, Governor Carney will be speaking. He's the Bank of England's governor, so he'll be speaking later today. A lot has been happening in the markets, and let's look at what's been going on. So we're looking here at the Euro USD on a weekly chart, and as you can see, we've started this really nice channel upwards. Now this motion of this trend should continue. Okay, as you can see here, we've really come up, tremendous amount, almost 1,000 pips since our low in March. So for 4 months, we've rallied over 1,000 pips. That's 250 pips a month, perhaps, and that's really a big turnaround for the Euro USD. And as you can see, we're actually a candle above. We're not just trading as a wick above this 1485 resistance. So keep in mind that we are breaking out higher. At this stage, I believe before the end of the year or before March of next year, we could even hit 1.2. I think that we've finally come out from this, debacle of trading between 104 and 113, 114-ish, and we're starting a new trend upwards. Now, it's not to say that we may not turn, we may not correct ourselves, but the trend is upwards, and you want to be trading the trend. Looking at the GBP USD as well, catching up 130.88. So we're on all-time highs for the year. Looking at the weekly chart, as you can see here, we haven't been at this level since last summer. Okay, so since we've had the correction of Brexit, which would have been this move right here, we still have a lot to gain back, but the point is, it's not how much we have to gain, it's how much we can make in these trades. And as we've breaking higher here, our next resistance is 133.20, so keep an eye on that as well. Looking at the Aussie USD, tremendous upside here as we're breaking out higher to 78.90. As you can see, we've finally broken this channel between 0.77 and 0.73 on the downside, and as you can see, we're breaking out higher. Now here as well, we have a resistance at 0.80. So what is going on? Okay, the dollar's been getting weaker, the markets have been getting stronger, the Dow has been breaking out all-time highs, and this is what we like to see. Now what's confusing right now is the price of gold. Gold is finally bouncing here from 1207 to 1237, and this could be really inflationary. Okay, it has nothing to do with the weakening of the markets. It's just a matter of inflationary concerns and so on. So, if you were able to catch this at 1207, great, good for you. 1215 would have been a nice, bull flag right there as we hit the 30-day average and bounced right above it. So my next resistance really in gold is 1247. So if you're holding it, you may want to unload a piece of it at this stage as we continue breaking out higher. Looking at the JSE, it's breaking out higher, back to 47.555. Major resistance of 48,419. So just keep an eye on that as we continue rallying in the JSE. As a correction, USDs are getting stronger, right? We went from 1352 to 1290, and that's a nice correctional move and a little bit of a resistance here. Just below this 1380-ish level, have a little bit of a resistance level. Looking at the Dow Jones, all-time highs, we spoke about it yesterday, selling off about 30 points, which is really meaningless, okay, in the grander scheme of things. As you can see here, we're talking about all the way back to a year ago and so on and so forth. So, a major rally altogether in the Dow Jones. I don't see why we'll stop necessarily, and we have to keep an eye on, the stocks to see if they're taking off first or if the Dow is taking off first, which is catching up, so on and so forth. So a lot of volatility here and a lot of potential to making money. USD CAD as well getting stronger versus the dollar. Okay, so as you can see here, we're almost at a major support level here at 25-ish, 125-ish. We do break it, we could definitely go back to 107, 106. ish level. Okay, so just keep an eye on this as well. Maybe put an alert here at 125 just to see if we do break it, and we may correct this off to 120. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.